10 interesting facts about rubber band. 1. The origin story. Rubber bands weren't always around. They emerged in England around 1845, thanks to the vulcanization process patented by Thomas Hancock. This process made rubber more durable and elastic, perfect for banding things together. 2. Material matters. Most rubber bands are made from natural rubber, sourced from the latex sap of rubber trees. However, synthetic rubber options are also available, offering different properties and resistances. 3. Shapeshifters. While classic loop is most common, rubber bands come in various shapes and sizes, from thin bands for delicate tasks to thick, heavy-duty ones for industrial applications. There's a rubber band for every need. 4. A rainbow of colors. Ever wondered why rubber bands are different? Colors? Color often indicates size and strength. For example, in some industries, specific colors represent particular dimensions, making it easy to grab the right band for the job. 5. Beyond holding. Rubber bands aren't just for bundling papers. They're used in a surprising range of applications, from dental braces to model airplanes. Their elasticity and grip make them incredibly versatile. 6. The science of stretch. Rubber bands demonstrate elasticity, meaning they can stretch and return to their original shape. This property is due to the polymer chains within the rubber, which uncoil when stretched and recoil when released. 7. Rubber band power. Don't underestimate their strength. Rubber bands can store a surprising amount of energy. This is harnessed in rubber, band-powered toys, and even some experimental engineering projects. 8. Environmental impact. While convenient, rubber bands can pose environmental concerns. Natural rubber is biodegradable, but the additives in some bands aren't. Recycling and responsible disposal are key. 9. Creative reuse. Instead of tossing them, consider upcycling. Rubber bands can be used in countless DIY projects, from creating non-slip grips to crafting unique jewelry. Get creative and reduce waste. 10. Record breakers. The world's largest rubber band ball weighed over 9,000 pounds. This impressive feat showcases the potential for rubber band collections and the dedication of rubber band enthusiasts. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks.